Is your JennAir slide-in electric downdraft range not heating up? This is David with AppliancePartsPros.com, and in this video, we're going to zero in on one key part, the electronic control board. This board controls power to both the bake and broil elements, and if it fails, your oven's not going to heat. The good news, testing and replacing it is more straightforward than you might think. Let's jump in. With over 2 billion products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For this repair, we'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a 1/4-inch nut driver, and a multimeter. And before we do anything else, always disconnect power to the range. Either unplug it or shut off the breaker. Safety comes first. Once the power is off and our tools are ready, we can get started. To access the control board, remove the screws holding the panel in place. Tilt the panel forward and down to expose the oven control inside. With the panel open, you'll see the relay outputs for both bake and broil. Now for this test, we'll be working with live voltage. Extreme caution is a must. If you're not comfortable using a multimeter around live voltage, skip this part. Go ahead and restore power to the oven. Set it to bake. And with your multimeter, place one probe on the bake relay output blue connector, yellow wire, and the other on the yellow connector with the red and white wire. A good relay should show about 240 volts AC going out to the bake element. Next, set the oven to broil and measure the voltage from the broil relay output to L2, which is pin 2 on the white connector. Again, you're looking for around 240 volts AC. If your bake and broil elements both test good, but you're not getting voltage from either relay, that means the control board has failed. Cut the power again. Then we'll test the oven sensor to rule it out. Disconnect the sensor harness from the board Set your meter to resistance and measure resistance across the two terminals. At room temperature, it should read close to 1,000 ohms. If the sensor checks out, but the oven still doesn't heat properly, the board is your culprit. Once you've confirmed the board's bad, disconnect power again. With the control board still open, label and unplug each of the wire harnesses connected to the board. Remove the screws or release the clips holding it in place. And carefully slide the board out of its bracket. Here's the old board and here's the new one. If you've already got your replacement, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Reconnect each wire harness one at a time using your labels to match everything up. Once all the connectors are tight, tilt the control panel back into place, reinstall the screws, go ahead and restore power to the oven. And that's it. You've accessed, tested, and replaced the control board, bringing your JennAir range back to life. Always use your model number when ordering to make sure you get the right part. Most orders from AppliancePartsPros.com ship fast, so you'll be cooking again in no time. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and let us know how it went in the comments. We always appreciate hearing about your repair stories. Thanks for watching, and thanks for choosing AppliancePartsPros.com, where do-it-yourself appliance repair is always within reach.